In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Hubstaff password, whether you've forgotten your password or just want to update it for security reasons. I'm here to guide you step by step through the process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to start by navigating to the Hubstaff login page. To do this, open a web browser and type Hubstaff login into your preferred search engine, like Google. Once you're on the search results page, look for the Hubstaff login link. It's typically one of the top search results, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Click on the link to proceed to the Hubstaff login page. Now that you're on the Hubstaff login page, you'll want to focus your attention on the sign-in options available. Here, you'll see a Sign into Hubstaff button. Go ahead and click on this button to move forward. This will take you to the page where you usually enter your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. Look closely at the screen and you'll see an option labeled Forgot Your Password, just below the password entry field. Click on this link. By selecting this option, you're beginning the process to recover access to your account. After you've clicked on the Forgot Your Password link, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Hubstaff account. It's important to use the correct email to ensure you receive the necessary reset instructions. Once you've entered your email address, click on the Submit or Send button, depending on what the page displays. Shortly after, you should receive an email from Hubstaff with further instructions. Be sure to check not only your inbox but also your spam or junk folder, just in case the email gets filtered there. Open the email and you'll find a link that will take you to the Reset Password page. Now click on the link in the email which will direct you back to Hubstaff's website. Here, you'll be asked to enter a new password. Make sure your new password is both strong and secure, yet something you can remember. A good practice is to combine upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've entered your new password and confirmed it in the correct fields, click on the Reset Password button, and that's it. Your Hubstaff password has been reset, and you'll now be able to log back into your account using the new password you just set. Always remember to keep your passwords confidential and refresh them periodically to enhance the security of your account. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Hubstaff support or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay secure.